One style, right? They get sometimes they get to put something, to make sound, but in us wouldn't put something else. We don't put in the ground. All the time we have like this up, That's why we get right. Mago gabiri gurme Google, but sometimes gabiri mang nyame gabiri gurme anything gabiri gurme that gabiri man pun like gabiri man pun wanjen kamel but ngat ngari gurme Google nak ngari garme ngari bume so na meki man wanjen now chinga men gama ngat bere tune and ngari man mang tune wanjen yeah, in our way we don't put didgeridoo in the sand, put in the sand like this, and like we hold it up, we hold it in there. That's why so like the man he'll be singing, so he will get tune for us, and we're gonna get tune for him. Yeah, so we've got on different style.